Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can restore the files that has been deleted on your Google Drive from your WhatsApp. Let's say you have selected different files and uploaded from your WhatsApp, and now you want to find a way on how you can restore it. Then this video is the right one for you. To upload the file from your WhatsApp, all you need to do is simply go onto your WhatsApp, download it into your phone or your PC, and after that, simply click on this new option and now go on to the file upload or folder upload to actually upload the WhatsApp file in your Google Drive. And from here, if it is get deleted or has been removed from your Google Drive, you can go onto the trash option. Here you can see there will be all the deleted items right here from your Google Drive. But make sure to get the item before the 30 days period has been expired, because after 30 days the item in trash will all be deleted forever, and then you cannot recover or even restore it. Now if you want to delete it permanently from your trash, even in Google Drive without exceeding 30 days, is simply right click on the file and you'll be able to see these two options for appear. Either click on restore, or if you want to delete, click on delete forever, and now again click on delete forever. Now you can see that the file has been deleted forever from your Google Drive. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.